In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove green screen from a video in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to bring a green screen clip into Canva, remove the background cleanly, update the backdrop color, and give your video a polished, consistent look with filters. Start by opening Canva in your browser or the desktop app and logging in. On the home page, choose a template that matches your final format, like a video, Instagram reel, or presentation. Templates give you a canvas with the right size from the start, and you can customize everything later. With your design open, insert your green screen video. You can upload it from your computer or drag it straight into your canvas. Place it on your page so you can see the green area clearly. To keep your original safe and to test variations, add a blank page right after it. This extra page is a clean workspace for trying backgrounds and filters without losing your setup. Click to select the video on your page. In the toolbar, choose Edit. Look for the Background Remover option and click it. Canva will process the clip and automatically detect the green and make it transparent. This can take a moment depending on your video length and internet speed. For best results, make sure your original footage has even lighting and a solid saturated green. Shadows or wrinkles can leave artifacts. Once the green is gone, change the background color on your page to whatever suits your design, brand, or scene. Click the page background and pick a color swatch or enter a hex code. Try a few options on that blank page to see what makes your subject pop without introducing color spill. If you want to fine-tune the look, select the video again and open Edit. You can adjust the color feel using filters. This step is optional, but it helps match your subject to the new background. Click See All in the Filters panel to browse the full set and choose any filter that complements your palette. Subtle is usually best. Aim to balance exposure and color temperature so skin tones look natural and the subject feels integrated with the backdrop. Give your video a quick preview to check edges and shadows. If you notice minor halos, try a slightly darker background color or a filter that reduces saturation a touch. When you're happy, you're done. That's the complete process for removing a green screen in Canva, changing the background color, and applying filters for a cohesive finish.